it's Pam with Organizer EZ911 and welcome back to another episode of my weekly weight loss vlog series. Gosh, that's a lot to say. This past week has been kind of a rather uneventful week in that I really don't have any new news to report on my weight loss front. I am still trying to get more exercise in. I have cleared out my schedule for the month of July, where I can block off about an hour and a half every morning to devote to exercise. So I'm really hopeful on that front because I really need to get more exercise. But something I did want to share with you in this vlog are the ideas we have moving forward in this series and some of the videos you can look forward to. Next week, we will be uploading my very first Ask Christy video. And that's where my trainer Christy is going to be answering the questions you have sent in to me regarding healthy eating, how to get exercise in, that sort of thing. So be sure to check back next week on that. We also have a lot of other fun upcoming videos that we're going to bring to you on this channel. Some of the examples you can look forward to are one of the ideas we're going to try to put together, if I can find someone to volunteer for me, is a day in the life of someone who's overweight. And I'm going to try to get someone to pack on at least 50 extra pounds and do some of the daily stuff that I do. I'm also going to be uploading videos on really fast, easy go-to snacks, very fast and easy go-to meals that you can prepare. We're also going to have exercises you can do in your home and exercises you can do like at the park to get all the workout in. So there's a lot coming up and I wanted to just kind of give you a heads up on that, all right? So again, I don't have a lot of updates regarding my weight on this week's vlog, but I'm sure I will be in the upcoming videos. So please be sure to check back next week for my Ask Christy weight loss vlog. She's got some great information based off the questions I received. And if you have any questions that you would like to ask my trainer Christy, please leave them in the comments below. We are looking to answer more of your questions in upcoming videos. I'm Pam with Organizer EZ911. I will see you next week.
Video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.